of September 2022 we have Hakolahdentie, Riksvägen. 6 stycken, we just from the text here, and you can watch the floor indicator there from 1 to 4 also. The capacity is 3 persons, 35 grams. This is here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland. And this one has the original handrails as well, and basics interior, and before pictures, built in 1959, turned 60 years old in 2019. This number is H8095 in Swedish first and finish. It will be inspected in the next year, 2023, with 4 floors. It deserves 3 rides.
Iskut itpääkin väiskuttaa, että me eteenpäin Kone.
Also MP4 with Swedish and Finnish on the panel is not as common.
Yeah.
I like the sounds and the smell in here.
The same here.
Just too bad that the handrails have been replaced in the state.
Yeah.
But here they are still original. So thank you very much
That's
for watching. That's it.